Hello everyone, Mike Cardenas with Forza Detailing and Detailed Image, here with a product review for the latest from PNS, their Rags to Riches Premium Microfiber Detergent. Now to put the detergent in, it's pretty easy. They basically have a opening right here, you can pour it in there, but they actually have a built-in proportioner into this bottle. If you see this on the side, it's pretty nifty. It reads ounces on one side and then mils on the other. For small loads, they recommend that you use about 1 ounce. On a much larger load of towels, then use 2 ounces. And to use this thing, it's pretty easy. What we're gonna do is just unscrew that, and then you simply just squeeze it like you would a proportioner, and then you'll see the liquid just start to fill that up till you get to 1 ounce. Boom. Now you can actually pour that into the detergent part. And pour that in there. So now it's perfectly mixed and ready to go. Next, it's time to set the washing machine. So we're gonna do towels. They do suggest to use warm water, so we're already set to there, and we are ready to go. Now, one of the things I've noticed with using Rags to Riches is that before I put the towels into the dryer, they already feel clean. They just feel differently than any other microfiber towel that I have pulled out of a washing machine. It's hard to describe, almost as if you are washing, might sound silly, but it's kind of the feeling when you're washing a brand new towel. Now, for most of us, we use a dryer to dry our towels. So the one thing I always suggest is to make sure that you put your temperature on the lowest. It's extra low. For mine, I'm going to go with damp. These are I almost feel, I mean, they're slightly damp and they almost feel dry. So for me, on the damp level, always does the trick. Now, these are Eagle edgeless towels that I use for silica sprays, sealants, things of that nature. Now, this one is one that was previously washed. I actually had previously washed this with another microfiber detergent, and this one is the one that's washed with the Rags to Riches. As you can see, it's still hydrophobic. After it's been washed, it still is hydrophobic. This is with the other detergent that I actually had washed these towels with before. So, even though they were clean, there was still stuff in the fibers. Now, on the Rags to Riches side, if we put water on them, you'll notice that they are pretty damp. It's, that's pretty crazy how when you think of towels, you can put so much water into these, but they're still hydrophobic, and then something like this is just damp. That is pretty impressive. So it actually has removed a lot of the stuff that's in here. That's pretty cool. Now, whether you're a detailing professional or a detailing enthusiast, cleaning microfiber towels is just part of the gig. And unfortunately, the towels that we use, as we all know, they're not exactly cheap, and arguably probably one of the most important tools we use in detailing. So if you're looking for something that will clean and restore your microfiber towels, then consider the Rags to Riches from PNS. And it's now available at detailedimage.com.